Students, good afternoon. You are the students who are now discussing about leadership. It's a continuation. Now today, we will discuss about the characteristics of charismatic leadership. Actually, this concept of charismatic leadership, these types of leadership or the concept is not that much level existing continually in the factory or industrial level, because administration and leadership has been separated. But even then, as this is in your curriculum, so we have to discuss. Leadership. Nowadays, we actually do understand in terms of leadership, that is the, bargaining agent. But here in the organizational behavior book, leadership indicates something different. Just to influence the workers and employees of the organization so that they are inclined or intended or motivated to do their job skillfully, efficiently. That is leadership. It's the personal quality and the behavioral pattern. If someone wants to be a leader, he or she should have so many multi-varied personal qualities, skill, efficiency. At the same time, his behavioral pattern, manner, attitude, sensation, all these things, which must satisfy workers, employees, even his same level colleagues, so that he will be a very influential leader. Side by side, there is a question of bargaining for the workers and employees of the organization, or the colleagues of the organization, for the improvement and betterment, both for the financial and non-financial issues. That's how the workers and employees are working when in a certain factory. Some prominent characteristics we like to mention of a leader. That is number one, communication. Charismatic leaders have the extraordinary skill in communication. If the communication skill is not that much level rich, then they will be not able to smoothly communicate and contact to the employees, workers, the same level colleagues, at the same time outside peoples, experts and organizations. Because of communication skill, he can enrich his information and knowledge bank, and thus he can solve the multivariate problems which are occurring in the organization. It will go for the solution rectification, and thus can motivate the workers and employees of the organization to smoothly functioning their works, or to tell them, yes, do your work in the scheduled time, right period of time, skillfully, avoiding deviations. If it goes for the further rectification, then it will take more time. As a result, quality will fall, wastage will higher, and company will be loser. If company is loser, then the produced items the company can sell in the right time, so that the earning capacity will decline. As a result, the workers and employees will not get their salary and wages in the right time, and different other allowances. So communication in every respect It's not only for the leader, also for the managerial level peoples and also of the administration. They must be in terms of communication, they should be skilled and efficient enough. Now, the thing is this, the communication is been developing using very multivariate tools, techniques and methodologies. This is a communication as a tool, very smooth functioning for like this cell phone. Once upon a time, we had to contact with the USA buyer over telephone, and it would take time. First call booking was there. After then, there was a fax, then email, like this way. Even to contact with the foreign buyers, USA buyer. If some say garments manufacturer wants to sell out his product to a USA buyer staying in New York, Manhattan, then he had to send his sample to that buyer by postal service, and it would take time, at least 1 month. And like this way, this practice as was going on, not less than 3 months. Not less than 3 months. It would take time. So the seasonal business could not be properly performed and done. That is the whole trouble. But now, using this technology, this very moment I can talk to any counterpart. I mean, wholesaler or the buyer is staying in US, New York, Manhattan, or the German Cologne, and Rome, no problem. This very moment I can see the sample, the specification in detail of a certain product, what I want to export to those countries, to those locations. So, communication is very indispensable thing, is must. And skill efficiency of communication, without attaining skill efficiency, the organization can itself take right decision in the right time and can do is all sorts of activities in the right, ensuring right quality. Then there is the question of the next point is maturity. Maturity, obviously, if someone wants to be a leader, and he should be matured enough, not only matured enough in all respects, therefore in terms of brainstorming, in terms of personal skill and efficiency attainment, at the same time in terms of showing the solutions to the workers and employees of the organization. And also, maturity should have to contact or to maintain the connectivity with the administration as a whole. So there is the question of maturity. Maturity is both physio-mental, both sides. Physio-mental, social, in all respect, they should have the maturity. Okay. Then there is another question of point is humility. Humility is not humanity. Humility, or very politely, he is to place his voice, he is to place attitude. If some worker or employee is facing a certain problem, and he will have to show his humility, and he can show the right way, right task, very politely, very gently, so that the worker and employee will be very much satisfied with his behavior pattern as how he is showing the solution. He may have the skill and efficiency to show the right path, tough problems in the easiest manner. That is his skill and efficiency. Then compassion, yes. Successful charismatic leaders are also compassionate. Yeah. The problem the workers and employees or my same level colleagues are facing some sort of problem. In that case, I should not be arrogant in nature. Rather, what to do, and how to behave. Yes. Oh, okay, problem. No, brother. Don't think. Don't hurry. Don't take tension. Yes, I am here also with you. So, problem is not problem. I am here to help you to find out the right solution. That is compassion, integrity, honesty, and fortitude are also the qualities of a successful charismatic leader's exhibit. Yes, he has to show his exhibit. He has to show his integrity. He should be honest enough so that the others' confidence will happen on him. And for fortitude and also the qualities of successful, these qualities will, he will create attention towards him. The subordinates, workers, employees, or any level personnel, even the same level executives, managers will be very much inclined and interested about him. Yes, this man is the right one and the best one. He is the person who can extend his wholehearted and devoted cooperations to his colleagues. As a result, the total working atmosphere of the organization will be very nice and amicable in nature. And everybody will be very much inclined and interested to do their assigned duties and responsibilities in the scheduled period of time and the right manner, attaining the right quality. Okay. Thank you, dear students. And then substance. Charisma can exist without substance, but it's not for the longer period of time. Without substance, you can sustain for a certain period of time only, but not for the longer period or longer version. So you should have to attain the right potentiality. You should have to show something different to your workers and employees or to your colleagues. Yes, this I am doing is my concept. That should have the physical or mental attribute. Not otherwise, that will be continued and you will be able to sustain in this turf. Because people is becoming first and knowledgeable. Very fast. Then the confidence. It goes without saying that charismatic leaders are truly confident. When you are a leader, then you should have enough confidence upon yourself, side by side, your capability. Yes, if any problem do occur, then I can solve this problem because I have the long experience in this concerned line. So I am not worried about, and I have the capacity to maintain the working atmosphere, to bring back the working atmosphere with my colleagues, my operators, my personals, and I have that contacting quality to contact to my senior or superiors. So anytime any problem is occurring, if the problem is very critical and tough enough in nature, then where I am failed or supposed to be failed, then and there I will have to contact to my senior level bosses. As a result, my bosses will get the right direction, and as a whole I will be able quite to solve the problem nicely. That is the quality of a leader. But obviously, the leader should not be overconfident. Overconfident is disastrous and tough, and it may create overall deadlock of the manufacturing system of the factory. Because yes, if I am overconfident, but lastly it has found that I was not able to solve the problem in the right manner. As a result, what will happen? Yes, the total manufacturing system of the factory will be collapsed. Okay. So, and positive body language. Yes, when someone is a leader, his attitude, his appearance, his behavior, his manner must be positive in nature. If not positive, then the workers and employees will be frustrated. And if the leader is always in arrogant mood, rough style is leading, his movement, his body language is not satisfactory, not inspiring, not motivating the personals or the same level executives or even the higher level bosses, what would happen? Yes, the leader will be simply failed and he will not be able to motivate the workers, employees and personals to do their scheduled job, right job at the right time, as per the specification designed for manufacturing their goods or services. That's the thing. So body language is a very important thing. By mere signaling, the workers and employees can solve the problems. Yes, the worker is just staying in 20 years far, and he is facing a problem, and then and there, if the skilled and efficient leader will be able to convince and motivate him, yes, do the job that way, yes, use and take the cooperation from the third one, like this way, he can motivate, he can activate the total system. Okay, so positive body language is very important thing, and that will create, a smiling body language, eyes movement. These things are the constant and connected to. Then the listening skill. Yes, all the times I am telling, I am talking, and I am just asking for attention. Everybody will pay their attention towards me. That's not the whole thing. Yeah, I should have to be attentive enough in terms of listening. I should have the listening skill in all respect, not only voice of the workers, employees, or the personals. Also, listening skill I should have in terms of language also. Yes, as how I Jogul Pasha is speaking English. The Canadian young chaps don't speak this way. At the same time, the American young chaps don't speak this way. British don't speak this way. We just mainly follow our English like the subcontinent tone. As how the subcontinent people is speaking English, mostly we are deliver our lecture in this way. But I should have the listening quality. If some workers and employees are there, personals or managers are there working in a certain organization where the so many, European, American, Australian, Canadian consultants, experts are there working. In that case, they will not be able to understand my address, my delivery. In that case, I should have also that skill, so that I will be able to understand as how the expert, a certain expert from Canada is speaking, his voice, his sentence formation framing, and his delivery style. All these things I need to know and to understand. There's a thing, and so it's a very important thing, listening skill. And listening skill, for that I'll have to think for using the automation. And this is the cell phone. It's a super technology, very nice technology. And using this cell phone, I can listen the Canadian style, I can listen the American style, I can listen the British style. And so I can develop also side by side myself. At the same time, when I am talking to a Canadian one, then I will have to, because Canadians are mainly Spanish stressed, Spanish based. And if so, Americans and the Americans, they follow a different style. If I follow the American English, then within few days I will be also able to understand how Master John of New York, Manhattan, as how he's delivering and speaking and try to contact to me. That will be possible from my side. That will be listening skill, and accordingly I will contact and carry on my discussion with them. And the charismatic leader pays attention to what is being said and the lessons with interest. As side by side, I will have to pay my attention towards my counterpart. Yes, how he is speaking and delivering his concept, his views, his thoughts, his emotion, his sentiment, his feelings, his knowledge, all these things. So this is the very important thing. Even within the country, say for we all are the Bengalis, but the language of Dinajpur, colloquial language of Dinajpur, and colloquial language of Chittagong is not same. And that's how the Silata people is now speaking. They are telling themselves where they are Siloti. And was how people say Bangla, they say this is a Bengali, like this way. So there is a variation and difference. So we need to understand in terms of communication, when we're supposed to develop our communication in terms of managerial skill and efficiency. And then there is a question of another point is very important, self-monitoring. Self-monitoring, yes, I'll have to understand about myself. I'll have to visualize about my own functions, operations. I need to know how far I am skilled, efficient in terms of my own knowledge, in terms of my skill efficiency. As the world is changing, technology is changing. So I need to match myself with the updated technology, automation. I'll have to understand, yes, what is the system, as if necessary, I'll have to contact to my technical experts, and he will explain me very well, yes, how we are doing, how we are working, and how need to operate a certain new branded machine and automation as a whole. That is the thing. So it's the same line. Another point is this, that is the self-improvement. Yes, it's the self-improvement is a burning question. If we want to match ourselves with the latest automation, latest technology, if we want to follow the latest devices of marketing, then it will take not more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am completing. Okay. So the charismatic leader understand what he has the certain qualities, and that make him the different from others. And these the qualities, and get him attention and make him charismatic. So more latest latest technology we are matching ourselves with. The leader is matching himself with, and he knows the automation, he knows the maintenance, he made the operation system of that technology, and he will be able to explore his knowledge to other workers and employees, those who are working with him. That is the thing. And so quality development, self-quality development is a very important and burning question. No other solution is there. Otherwise, that leader will be simply ousted from that his leadership. So he knows. So he also knows that how important it is to continually improve him. Okay, then finally I like to say that is like I said, the charismatic business leaders have their style, personality, and confidence, and they also have a certain elusive quality which allows them to attract the followers and inspire people to new heights. Charismatic leaders are also known as the transformational leaders because they are often involved in significant change initiatives. Okay, students, thank you very much. Wish you good luck. So you also, like the leader, you need to develop yourself in all respects, not only just you are going through your books and completing your years. Oh, that's not enough. Side by side, you need to learn, you need to gather knowledge from the different sources. And now the virtual world is providing you the ample opportunity to know all about throughout the world what's happening and going on in terms of technology, transport of technology, modernization of technology, etc. and etc. each and everywhere. Okay, don't go outside in this pandemic situation. And again, I'm telling you, don't be in panic. Life is beautiful. Okay, thank you very much. Good luck. Best of luck.